In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Yahoo Mail to Outlook. By the end, you'll have your Yahoo inbox right inside Outlook, so you can read, send, and organize emails from one place. Start by opening Outlook. On the top right, look for the gear icon, which opens Settings. This is where Outlook keeps all the options for accounts and mail behavior. If you're using Outlook on the web, the gear appears in the header. Click it to open the panel. If you see a link that says View All Outlook Settings, that simply expands the full menu so you can access the account options we need. Inside Settings, find the option to add account. Depending on the version, this may appear directly in the panel or under a section related to mail or sync email. Click Add Account to begin connecting Yahoo. You're telling Outlook you want to bring in mail from another provider, and Outlook will handle the background configuration automatically. Next, type your Yahoo email address in the field provided. Be sure to enter it exactly as it's registered, no extra spaces, and double check the spelling. Using the correct address is important because Outlook uses it to locate the right sign-in page and the right server settings for your mailbox. When you've confirmed it looks correct, move on to continue. After you continue, Outlook will redirect you to the Yahoo sign-in screen. This is normal and secure. You're signing in directly with Yahoo so that Outlook can connect on your behalf. Enter your Yahoo password and complete any verification steps, such as a code sent to your phone or an authentication prompt. You may also see a screen asking you to grant permission for Outlook to access your Yahoo Mail. Approve those permissions so Outlook can read, send, and sync messages for that account. Once you allow access, Outlook will finish the connection and begin syncing your Yahoo mailbox. The first sync can take a few minutes, especially if you have a lot of emails and folders. You'll see a new mailbox for your Yahoo account in the Outlook sidebar. Open it to check your inbox, folders, and sent items. When composing a message, you can choose your Yahoo address in the From field, so replies go to the right place. If you hit a connection error, try re-entering your credentials. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and complete any extra verification prompts from Yahoo. That's it. Your Yahoo Mail is now added to Outlook and ready to use.